Hi, Amy and Michael. I have your first full design draft for you to review. I'm on design 3 because I've made some changes along the way to see what would work and what wouldn't work. So I'm going to go over that with you right now. This is what I've got to present to you so far. I had to do some hipped roofs on the sides because I'll show you in the elevations and the line drawings. You're not allowed to pierce a 45-degree angle from the property lines. So if you took your property boundaries and did a 45-degree angle up from there like a pyramid, you're not allowed to protrude through that pyramid. Your front setback is fine because once you go back 45 degrees, the pyramid is all the way up here somewhere. But on the side yards, you're very close. I had to already bring this wall in a little bit because it was going through the pyramid. And that is not a variance they like to grant. It's a pain in the neck to get that. So I tried to avoid that wherever possible. All right, so this is what I've got so far. Fireplace on the side of the house. This protrudes into the side yard setback. So we can either include that in the variances that we're submitting for, or we can pull it into the room, or we can pull the whole wall in and get rid of that variance. I shrunk this porch down a little bit because this has to be 30 feet from the rear setback, which it is now. And then I put the pool house, I had to separate it from the house because if it's attached to the house, it has to be 30 feet from the rear property line. And you asked me to, keep bringing it back further towards the rear property line, and just couldn't get it done with the 30-yard rear setback. And the purpose of the zoning code and the zoning board of appeals is we have to give them our best proposal. They're not going to give you more when you're at the hearing. They're only going to strike it down and give you less. So we have to give them our best proposal, and then if they reject it, then we go down from there. You can't really ask for the moon because they'll just laugh at you. All right, so this is what we've got so far for the design. Okay, and now I'm going to take you to the floor plans. As far as the pool house, 13.6 room. Let me see what I got on the interior. By about 12 on the interior, half bathroom and a laundry room. Sliding glass door on the side facing the pool. And then I've got a hallway in the back of the garage going to the left side of the house. A rear door going from a mud room to the rear of the house. And these are all minor changes. We can get rid of or change anything you want here. If it was me, I would probably extend this wall straight back and incorporate this into the garage. It's not that big a deal to go out this back door and then walk around to the side yard. But let me know what you want to do. We're going to have to put in new stairs because the stairs right now are not code compliant. They're too steep and they don't really work. So the stairs will be new. I brought the stairs, I think they start here somewhere. I brought them closer in to the door. Right now they're too close to the door. I'll have to move them back. Garage is 12 feet wide. And the original garage end wall is right here. I had to bring it in to the right to make room for the garage because I did have to move this wall over to the right so that the roof line would not pierce the 45-degree pyramid rule. 5-foot bathroom, stand-up shower stall, closet. I did have the bedrooms drawn last time on the floor plan, but because this is a split level, it's kind of odd, which floor do you draw these rooms on? Technically, this family room and laundry room and bathroom here are technically part of the basement. But they didn't, it's odd when you look at the floor plan, so I redrew them and put them on, I moved everything up one level. Now on the second floor, you have your second floor bedrooms that are on the same second floor as the rest of the floor plan. But just going back through, added a door that should be aligned over the existing raised patio. Moved the refrigerator and sink and dishwasher down a bit. So now you have this entry coming in off the patio. Made this opening with one step down into the great room, and I move the sofa over a little bit. Picture window with side windows, and then one double hung, and you'll see how that arrangement looks. Well, you already saw it on the rendering of the exterior. This is that right here. And then the exterior fireplace. I could have this built into the room and then do base cabinets flanking on each side, so it would look like a built-in. That would negate the variance needed for that side yard setback. And like I said, you try and do the minimum setback requirement, the minimum variance request as possible to give yourself the best chance of getting it approved. So then if we go upstairs, starting from the left, this is the hip roof over the new garage. This is the staircase going up. Two windows on the rear to give you natural light on the back portion of the stairs. You don't want it to be completely dark. I might change this to an open railing looking down, to keep it light and airy. I'll wrap the existing chimney in sheetrock and in a wall enclosure. Good size bedroom. I have to add some dimensions here. I believe this is a let's go shoot this across. So 12'8" bedroom, 6'8" bathroom. I like having a decent sized shower stall that's 5 feet with an 18-inch bench. This over a little bit. Two existing bedrooms with the existing bathroom. The existing bathroom, this is over your existing kitchen, so I moved the bedroom forward so we could create the hallway going to the new master. The master has gotten smaller because I needed to get it pulled away from the side yard setback pyramid rule. I'll show you that on the front elevation. All right, so as far as variance requests, this is the plot plan. There'll be a PDF of this posted to the website. This needs variance right here for side yard setback. Where is it? Side yard setback. Let me see. Side yard setback of 9.23. We need 10. So we're off by about 9 inches. So that's a variance right there. This roof over porch complies. The pool house complies. It has to be, I believe, 8. But then I also have to comply with the pyramid also, so that's why you see these numbers are a little bit exaggerated. So I'm complying with the pyramid and the side and rear setbacks. Side setback in the garage complies and the pyramid complies. So we're only, as of right now, applying for a variance for side yard setback for the fireplace. Total aggregate side yard setback, we're off by about 5 feet, so that's a pretty good size one that they'll have to review. And then your maximum lot coverage is 5.5% over, so that'll be something they review. And then you're required to have a minimum number of car parking spaces. So that's the car parking spaces with the expanded driveway. And then we're going to have to squeeze in the new septic system on the front lawn in this area. All right. Then if I go to your renderings are on this third page. This is the front elevation. The pyramid rule starts from your property boundaries. In the village of Southampton, it actually starts at the property boundaries plus 4 feet. So I think the pyramid sits on top of a pedestal 4 feet high, and then the lines start. But this is town of Southampton, so I'm within the boundary there. This is your maximum roof height, and then this is the boundary right here. So I comply there. Comply on the side elevation. This is the rear. Comply on all of these aspects, and then this is the other side. Comply on this aspect. This is the chimney that's going to have to be raised. Chimney generally has to be 2 feet higher than any roof surface within 10 feet horizontal. So this probably isn't even high enough right now. So let's see. So it has to be 2 feet higher than this peak right here. So it's going to have to be right about there. Something like that. Let's see. So I don't really like how tall that is. Ooh, I'm off. So something like that. I don't like having a chimney that tall. So this might be the opportunity. I'm not sure if you have gas on the street, but because of the extent of your renovation, it might be time to consider switching to natural gas. If you're stuck with an oil furnace and you don't have any other choice, then we're going to have to do this chimney. Maybe we'll do it wrapped in a double chimney flue encased in wood rather than extending a masonry chimney this high. All right, so that's that. And I think that's all I have to show you. Give me some feedback. So obviously you do see we did lose the master bed. There was an additional bedroom over here that we lost. We just can't squeeze it into the scope. And this master bedroom did get reduced in size. All right, so give me some feedback. Let me know what you think, and we'll work on the next revision from there. Thank you.